Hey guys, so I literally just got in from Houston, Texas, like not even 3 hours ago. And I am home now. I'm in my pajamas, very, very comfortable. But I wanted to decorate a little bit for Valentine's Day. So as you know, I have moved into this apartment about 5 months ago, and I didn't decorate for Christmas because I had just moved in, just got settled, started off brand new. I had to buy new furniture for the whole entire house, like everything new. And so I didn't want to turn around and have to buy more stuff to decorate for Christmas. It just didn't seem practical at the time. But I did buy my first Christmas tree this actually a couple weeks ago. So I got it on clearance. It was originally $8.99. I would never ever pay that for a Christmas tree, but it was only $167. So I felt like I got a steal. It's a 7-foot tree. It's beautiful, gorgeous. Hopefully you guys will see it next Christmas because it's January. I'm not decorating for Christmas, but I am decorating for Valentine's Day. And guys, I have been preparing just essentially for this. When I moved into this apartment, I had just started getting things together. So last year, 2025, at the end of February, I ended up going to Kohl's. I don't really shop in Kohl's unless I'm doing like Amazon return or something. That's the only time I go in there. However, Kohl's had a huge Valentine's Day clearance at the end of Valentine's Day. So I ended up picking up a bunch of stuff. And so we're going to decorate my apartment today. So I want to do that with you guys. I thought it'd be really fun, something that we could do together. So I'm going to show you guys kind of what I picked up. So for fun, I got these really cute X and O pillows. So I got 2 X's and 2 O's. So my couch is beige, so it'll just go really, really nice with the theme. So I decided to stick with the typical red and white, pink and white theme. I also got this Peanuts pillow. Now I did have 2 of these, but a lady that I work with, she's obsessed with Peanuts. And so I just gave her one of mine and just kept this one. It's really cute. So I'll probably put this in the middle of the couch. Some other things that I got this calendar. It is so cute. It says be mine and it counts down to the days of Valentine's Day. So a lot of, like I said, this stuff I got on clearance. I also got this mailbox. Now how cute is that? It has the X and O's on the side, and then when you open it, can you open it? Oh yes. So you stick the letters. You can put whatever, like, okay, so if somebody comes to my house, I'll put like little love notes, or I might have like a gift card or something, just, you know, just something for my guests, and they can open this up and get them a little love note, or just like a really inspirational message, because you never know what people are going through. And then with this, you can turn it up and it's a Mickey Mouse little mailbox. I just think that's so cute. I'm gonna put it on that back counter. What else did we get? So I got some Valentine's Day conversation cards, and these were 25 cents. I got 3 of them. So there's like I would define love as what makes you feel most love, what's your favorite love song. So these are just really cute. I'm going to give those out. I also got these little gnomes. Oh my gosh, just like counter decorations. I got 2 sets of those. I did get some little love notes. This is like a garland almost, so like you can hang this from, I don't know, we're gonna put it somewhere really cute and festive so that it stands out. Oh my gosh, and some of the stuff I haven't seen in forever. And then there was this little candy dish set. Now I probably won't eat the candy because like I've had it for a while, but I would definitely use it as decorations. But it comes with a little dish, and it comes with the candy, and then on this side right here it does come with a candle. And I didn't realize, but I got 4 packs of those love notes. And then I got the candy hearts garland. So this is really, really, really cute. It's so stinking cute. So I'm really excited. I have never decorated my apartment before, so this is going to be something fun for me that I get to share with you guys. So we're going to go ahead and kind of get started. I'm going to figure out where I want to put some of these things. I also got this really cute Hello Kitty blanket for Christmas. One of my friends had got this for me, and because it's pink and it doesn't really go with the Peanuts theme, but it doesn't matter because it's like really pretty and the color scheme kind of goes together. So I'm going to put this on my couch. So guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family. We're going to jump straight into the decorating.